In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send video email using Constant Contact. To begin, open the email you are working on in the Constant Contact email editor. You will be building your message using content blocks, which are the sections you can add for text, images, buttons, and more. For video, Constant Contact uses a dedicated video block that creates a video thumbnail in your email and links out to the video when someone clicks it. This is important because most email apps do not play embedded video directly inside the message, so using the video block is the reliable, professional approach. First, look at the left panel where your content blocks are listed. Find the video block, then drag it from the left panel into your email layout. Place it in the section of the email where you want the video preview to appear. Take a moment to position it in a spot that makes sense for your readers, usually near the main message or call to action, so it feels connected to what you are saying in the email. Next, click directly on the video block you just added. Once it is selected, choose Edit. This opens the settings for that block so you can connect it to your video. Now paste the URL for your video. Constant Contact supports links from YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia, so make sure your video is hosted on one of those platforms and that you copy the full web address from your browser. For the best results, confirm the video is set to the right visibility level so your audience can view it without access issues. After you paste the link, click Insert. Constant Contact will pull in the video information and generate a clickable preview image. This preview is what recipients will see in the email, and when they click it, they will be taken to watch the video on the hosting site. At this point, you can quickly review your email to ensure the video block appears where you want it and looks consistent with the rest of your design. That covers everything you need to know.